Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to change the search engine in your web browser, basically in Microsoft Edge browser. It's very simple. If I search anything, it's giving me result in Microsoft Bing, but what if I wanted result in Yahoo or GoDuckDuck or in Google? In that case I have to change the default search engine for the Microsoft Edge. Go to the setting option, and the steps will be same for the for the Windows user as well as for the Mac OS user. In my case I'm using Mac. Go to the setting, and then there you can see the option privacy, search and services. Click on it and scroll down. There you can find out address bar and search. Click on it, and here you can see the default search engine is Bing. Click here and choose Google or any other search engine, for example GoDuckDuck. And if you wanted custom things, click on the manage search engines, and from here you can simply also remove the URLs. Click here, you can remove URLs. You can also add the new search engines if you wanted, and this is how you change the default search engine in your Microsoft Edge browser. Now let's try once again searching, and here we go. We are using DuckDuckGo now. So this is how you do it. Thank you so much.